is Arnice Wheaton. I've been with the company for 5 months as a senior materials manager. I was looking for a new job, mainly because the culture at my previous job was not the best. I didn't really feel seen or heard. The other thing too was the management culture there. They didn't really seem to care about their people as much. We were all kind of looked at like a number, very expendable, and it didn't work for me. Interesting enough, the quality director here had actually reached out. They wanted to recruit for someone that had similar experience as myself, and it just kind of worked out as a match made in heaven, really. I think the first thing that I noticed as soon as I came here was everyone seemed happy. Everyone enjoyed what they did. It didn't feel staged or forced. People were very accommodating, very helpful, genuinely smiling and enjoying what they did. And then even in my interview process, it seemed like they were way more interested in who I was, looking at who I am as a person, the things that I value, the things that I want to achieve, and kind of seeing how that aligns with the company was a refreshing take. I've always enjoyed problem solving, and here I feel like I can actually do that, and it's appreciated. So I've been having a blast so far. I feel like I've made the best choice. Every day I come in, I feel like I'm actually contributing. I know that people value my input. I know that I'm making a difference, and I'm also able to be spearheading some of the more challenging aspects of growing in this particular site, and I enjoy that. Being a super, I have a work-life balance now, which I appreciate. I actually feel like when I go home, I can go home and not carry everything with me. So that's been great. I'm glad I switched to super.